Genome Editing Techniques, UPSC 2020. The entire human genome contains about 3.2 billion base pairs of DNA. Clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats, CRISPR, CRISPR-associated protein 9, Cas9. CRISPR is the DNA targeting component of the system, and it is made up of an RNA molecule, or guide, that is engineered to attach to certain DNA bases via complementary base pairing. General features of the human genome. CRISPR-associated protein 9, Cas9, is the nuclease component that cuts the DNA. On average, about 41% of the DNA consists of G, C base pairs. However, some regions are G, C rich, and others are G, C poor. The CRISPR-Cas9 genetic scissors were discovered by Emmanuel Charpentier and Jennifer A. Doudna, who won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2020. UPSC 2019. The Human Genome Project, which operated from 1990 to 2003, provided researchers with basic information about the genetic content of the human organism, opening new avenues of discovery in fields such as cancer research. Transcription activator-like effector nucleases, TALENs transcription activator-like effector, TAL, domains make up the DNA binding domain of TALENs. Taking inspiration from the Human Genome Project, the Department of Biotechnology, DBT, initiated the ambitious Genome India Project, GIP, on 3 January 2020. Zinc finger nucleases, ZFNs are fusions between a custom-designed CYS to his to zinc finger protein and the cleavage domain of the foci restriction endonuclease. Foci cleavage domain, which cuts DNA within a 5 to 7 BP spacer sequence that separates to flanking zinc finger binding sites. The GIP aims to collect 10,000 genetic samples from citizens across India to build a reference genome. Homing endonucleases or meganucleases, homing endonucleases, also known as meganucleases. Whole genome sequencing and subsequent data analysis of the genetic data of these 10,000 individuals would be carried out. These enzymes make extensive sequence-specific contacts with their DNA substrate. This would aid our understanding of the nature of diseases affecting the Indian population and then ultimately support the development of predictive diagnostic markers. However, unlike ZFNs and TALENs, the binding and cleavage domains in homing endonucleases are not modular. It would also open new vistas for advancing next-generation personalized medicine in the country, paving the way for predicting health and disease outcomes. This overlap in form and function makes their repurposing challenging and limits their utility.